Hello, teacher.
Hello, nice to see you today. Ngok, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
I'm also fine. Thank you for asking. Okay. I tried to wear yellow today. How's the weather in Vietnam?
Um, it's cold.
Cold. Wow. Okay. So, baby, I check your homework. So, hold on. I am reading it right now. So, I am very happy because you did your homework today. Yay! So, thank you for that, baby. Okay. Hold on. So, Jupiter is the fifth planet from the sun. It has many bands on the surface. Jupiter has four large and many small moons, okay? Saturn is the sixth planet from the sun. It is the second largest planet. In the sun, Saturn has lots of moons, okay? Earth is the third planet. Okay, very good, baby. So right now, we're going to continue our lesson, right?
Yeah.
Hold on, baby. Okay, so we are on page 10, slide 10. Oh, look, baby, I have white hair. Oh. Oh my God, teacher is already old. I have white hair already. Okay. Okay, let me share my screen. So we are on slide 10. So this was your homework. So that's correct. Now, I know, we're already. It's done already. Okay, baby. Hold on. I will get your another 52D. So we're going to have. So we're done. Done. 52D. Hold on, baby. Flyers, flyers, flyers.
Lên, Lên ơi.
Nè con à. Con nè. Không có nè.
So we're going to have unit 53. Okay.
Yes.
Did you eat your dinner?
Yes.
And what was your dinner?
Fish and
Fish,
soup.
right? Okay, let me share my screen. Okay, let me save it because I am uh, okay. So let's start our lesson. Ready, baby?
Yes.
Can you see it? Finding your way. Okay, can you read it?
Unit 53, Finding Your Way.
Okay. Look at the map and read about Castle Town. Find each place. Okay? So we're going to study the map because our lesson is finding its way. So the river cross and the castle. Find these places and say where they are. So we're going to find first the river cross. Where are you? Where are we? So for example, you are in the supermarket. No. Okay. It goes under the bridge and round the castle. Okay. So this one. Okay. How about the castle? Can you find it?
The castle is near the river cross.
It's near the river. Okay. Where's the castle? I cannot see the castle. Okay. The bridge, baby. Where's the bridge?
The bridge is in River Road.
Okay. The bridge is on the river road. Yes. Near the castle. Baby, this is the castle. I am looking here in the other side. Okay. How about the library?
It's on Station Road.
It's on the station road near the train station. Okay. Next. This is very easy. Okay, let's try to read it first, baby.
During your trip here, why not stay in Station Hotel? It's across the street
From the
railway station and next to the library in Station Road.
Number
The
2.
bank is
Opposite, baby.
opposite the station and its car park, its entrance is in South Street. The post office is in High Street. Across the street from Pat's supermarket, there's a small sports shop on River Road behind the newspaper shop in High Street. If you need to buy medicine, toothpaste, or shampoo, don't worry, there's a chemist on the corner of River Road and High Street is next to a fruit shop. The bookshop is in the second building in South Street. It got a very unusual green roof. The town center bus stops are really near it. Next to the post office, there's a restaurant called the Food Village. Apart from its back door goes down to the river. People enjoy walking there. You can use the Wi-Fi to go online and in the internet cafe. On the corner of High Street and South Street.
Okay, let me read it again. During your trip here, why not stay in the in-station hotel? It's across the street from the railway station and next to the library in Station Road. Okay, let's try to read Station Hotel. Ngok. Station Hotel.
Station Hotel.
Railway Station.
Railway Station.
Library in Station Road.
Library in Station Road.
The bank is opposite the station and its car park. Its entrance is in South Street. Okay, opposite.
Opposite.
Car park.
Car park.
South Street.
South Street.
The post office is in High Street, across the street from Pat's Supermarket. Post office.
Post office.
Pat Supermarket.
Pat Supermarket.
There's a small sports shop on River Road behind the newspaper shop in High Street. River Road.
River Road.
Newspaper.
Newspaper.
If you need to buy medicine, toothpaste, or shampoo, don't worry. There's a chemist on the corner of River Road and High Street. It's next to a fruit shop. Okay. Medicine, toothpaste, or shampoo.
Medicine, toothpaste, or shampoo.
There's a chemist on the corner of River Road and High Street. River Road, High Street.
River Road, High Street.
Okay. The bookshop is on the second building in South Street. Got a very unusual green roof. The town center bus stops are really near it. Okay, second building, it's got very unusual green roof. Okay, can you read it? Second building.
Second building, green roof.
Okay. Next to the post office, there's a restaurant called the Food Village. A path from its back door goes down to the river. Restaurant, baby.
Restaurant.
Food Village.
Food Village.
You can use the Wi-Fi to go online in the internet cafe. Internet cafe.
Internet cafe.
On the corner of High Street and South Street.
On the corner of High Street and South Street.
Very good. Okay. Very good. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay. Ah, baby. The one that you read, baby. Let's go back here. Number 1 is Station Hotel. Okay, number 3 is, baby, can you screenshot this one so that we can read it? Then so that we can describe this one. Number 1 is, can you read it?
Number 1 is Station Hotel.
Okay, number 2, what do you mean by that? I cannot see it because I'll go back here.
The bank.
Okay.
Number 3 is post office. Number 4 is
Okay. We cannot see to the other side. Okay, but we already read it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, next. Can you read it?
At the moment, you are in Castle Town. You are in one of the places in town. What can you see? What can you buy?
Okay. Look at the picture, baby. Can you read them all first?
On, in, over, under, far, near, up, down, go past, among, next to, in front of, behind, between, around, through.
Okay. True, baby. So these are the position, baby. Okay. Where is the cat? Okay, can you read it?
Where is the cat? Drawn with arrows.
Where is
The,
the cat? Okay, continue.
the cat is between the ball. The cat is in the ball. The cat is in beside the ball. The cat is on the ball. The cat is near the ball. The cat is under the ball. The cat is behind the ball. The cat is above the ball. The cat is in front of the ball.
Okay. The cat is between the balls. The cat is in the ball. The cat is beside the ball. The cat is on the ball. The cat is near the ball. So these are the position of the cat. Where is the cat? So behind, under, beside. Okay. Baby, you're going to line it, okay? The picture. I thought it was just a design. Where is the cat? Okay. Baby, you can annotate it. Look, you can annotate it. Click annotate and then draw. Okay. Is in the ball. The cat is in the ball.
Anh thấy what? The cat. I draw.
Yes, baby. You're going to connect the cat and the position of the cat.
But I don't know.
Like this, baby. As you can see the mouse. I am moving it right now.
Yes.
Okay. When you click this, there is an annotate. Can you see the annotate?
Where?
Yes, annotate.
Annotate. I can't see.
It's okay, baby. So the cat is between the balls. So this is the cat. The cat is beside the ball. Where's beside the ball?
The cat is beside the wall in picture. Three to leg on the leg.
The cat is beside the ball. Actually, there are. This one, we can say it. This cat is beside the ball, right? In front of, sorry. The cat is beside the ball. This one, right?
Yeah.
Cat is on the ball. This one,
Yeah.
the cat is near the ball. The cat is under the ball. This one. The cat is behind the ball. This one, behind. The cat is above the ball. This one is above the ball. Hold on. Okay. The cat is in front of the ball. So this one is in front of. The cat is near the ball. The cat is beside the ball. Beside. The cat is on the ball. Where's the cat is on the ball? Beside. This is the beside, right? The cat is on the ball.
Oh, I see. Oh, I can see.
This one is on the ball?
Yeah.
The cat is near the ball. So this is near the ball. The cat is in, this one is, yeah, okay, you can do it. Go, go, go. Okay, let's repeat it, baby. Go. Okay, very good. Okay. Now you know, baby, how to annotate?
Yes.
Yay, good job. Okay. Listen and tick the box. Harry and his family live in the country, but today he and his mother have traveled to Castletown. You are going to hear Harry and his mother talking together about their trip. Okay. Maybe you can answer it by ticking it, okay? You know how to annotate, right?
Yay.
Yay.
53B. Finding your way. Listen and look. There is one example. What does Harry need?
So, Harry, I like walking round Castletown, don't you? What do we need to get for you here today? I've forgotten.
Only a Castletown football shirt, Mum. Nothing else.
Oh, yes. What about some new shorts too?
My old ones are still fine.
And you don't need any new sports shoes yet, so that's good.
Can you see the tick? Now you listen and tick the box. 1. What is opposite the library now?
How far is the library from here? I'd like to go there too.
Not far. It was opposite this railway station, wasn't it? But it isn't here now.
Where is it then?
It's in a new building opposite the chemist's. The one I like. So it'll only take us another 5 minutes to get there.
Oh, OK. So we just have to go past the post office and then turn left.
That's right. Well done.
2. Which way will Harry and his mother go to the castle?
And after lunch, we can walk round the castle again. We can go down that road where all those nice houses are.
Last time we went through the park and saw a volleyball competition.
I remember. But that other road to the castle is always so busy. All the town traffic uses that.
Yes, that's no fun. I don't want to go that way.
3. Which train will Harry and his mother take home?
Which train will we go home on today? Not the one that leaves at 5:30. It's so slow.
No, that one's too early.
Well, the next one's at 10 to 6. I know the timetable for all our trains now.
Yes, we'll catch that one. It arrives home at 8 o'clock.
4. What will Harry have to eat?
I'm getting hungry. I might have chicken with a salad for my lunch.
Why don't you have something different this time? I'm going to have some of the wonderful fish soup that they make in the restaurant by the river.
I don't want a salad if we go there. Can I have some pasta? You get lots and lots on a really big plate in that place.
Good idea. Of course you can.
5. What has Harry lost?
What's the matter, Harry? You look worried. Have you lost your money?
No, I haven't lost that. But my train ticket isn't in my pocket. Did I drop it?
You gave it back to me, remember? But what about your camera? You were holding that too, weren't you?
Oh, no. I think I left it at the station.
Okay, baby, let's try it. No more again, okay? Because you already took it. Okay. Number, what is the opposite in the very good. Okay. Number 2, C. Number 3, B. Number 4, A. Number 5, B. So, baby, it is easier with using the annotate, right?
Yeah.
Yay! Choose the correct words and write them on the lines. So, baby, as you can see, there are words around the square. You're going to, you can type it also, baby. By using, when you click the annotate, you're going to use text, okay?
Yes.
Okay. Read it and then answer it, baby.
This information. What? Teacher, what is it?
Baby, hello? Baby, what?
What is it?
Number 9. Some people put this on a wall so they can quickly see which date to remember.
Huh?
It should be a calendar. Oh, you have an answer, baby. Number 10. Yes, very good. Okay, let's try it. The news. Baby, read it and then the answer.
This is information we watch or read. It is about what is happening on the world. The news. Our homes, large shops, schools, skyscrapers.
Baby, skyscrapers.
Skyscrapers and factories are all kinds of these buildings.
Okay.
At this time of year it gets colder and it begins to fall from trees. Autumn. It is a good idea to walk or cycle along this when you are in the forest.
Path. Pathway or path, baby. Okay, next. Number 5.
There are cities of these very home.
Every hour.
Every hour is a
minute, I think.
minute.
Yes, minutes. Okay,
It is safe to cross a railway if you walk over this. It's a bridge.
yes.
These are funny drawings that you can find in comic book cartoons.
Yes. Next.
You need to change
I can
this.
hear someone is laughing. Okay, you need to change.
You need to change this if you want to watch a different TV program.
A channel.
Some people put this on a wall so they can quickly see
Which dates? Which dates?
which date to remember. A calendar.
Calendar.
This is much larger than town. Millions of people might live and work here. A city.
Okay, very good. Ask and answer the questions. Okay. How do you travel to shops? How do you go to shops, baby? Ngok.
I go by motorbike.
Motorbike. Okay. Baby, if I will go to Vietnam, I don't know how to, I know how to drive, but I don't know how to use the motorbike. Who usually carries the shopping?
My mom.
Which shops don't you like? Wet market?
No.
Which shops you don't like?
I don't know.
Tell me about your favorite shop.
My favorite shop is food shop.
Okay. The actors in a shop or town. Oh, okay. Make a role play. No, we're not doing that, baby. Okay. So this one, baby, I will put it in Zalo. Baby, I need to put your homework in Zalo, ha? I already mentioned it to you that they are checking it, okay?
Yeah.
Yay! We're done.
Bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. Bye, bye, goodbye. Bye, 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 goodbye. Goodbye.
Your camera is okay now and your speaker, right? I can hear you well. Okay. Maybe if you have time on Saturday, Sunday, you can message me. Okay?
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye, teacher.